Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin with Coinbase. First, you'll need to set up your account. Begin by creating a Coinbase account with your email and a strong, unique password. Next, complete the identity verification process, which typically involves providing a government-issued ID. Finally, link a payment method, such as a bank account or a debit card, to fund your future Bitcoin purchases. This initial setup is quick and straightforward. Once your account is set up, the next step is to add funds. Navigate to the Add Cash or Deposit section. Select your preferred linked payment method, whether it's a bank transfer or a debit card. Then, simply enter the amount of fiat currency you wish to deposit into your Coinbase balance. Always review the transaction details carefully before confirming to ensure accuracy. Funds usually appear within a few minutes to a few business days, depending on your method. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy Bitcoin. Head over to the Buy/Sell tab on your Coinbase dashboard. From the list of available cryptocurrencies, select Bitcoin. You can then choose to buy a specific amount of Bitcoin or enter a dollar amount you wish to spend. Coinbase will show you the current price and any associated fees. Review your order one final time, then click Buy Now to complete your purchase. It's that simple. After buying Bitcoin, securing your investment is paramount. First, enable two-factor authentication on your Coinbase account for an extra layer of protection. For larger holdings, consider transferring your Bitcoin to a personal hardware wallet, which offers superior security. Always be vigilant. Regularly check your account activity for any suspicious transactions. Remember, taking these proactive steps helps safeguard your digital assets against potential threats and ensures peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.